Somewhere along life's journey, we started accepting things that we never should have accepted. Things like feeling tired all the time, poor sleep, weight gain, brain fog, needing caffeine just to make it through the afternoon. And we started treating these things like they are just a part of getting older that we cannot avoid, or just a part of having a busy life. And I am here to stomp on that myth because it is just not true. We have normalized things that never should have become our normal. So let me ask you a question. And I just want you to, answer this in your head. Today, are you operating at the level that you know you're capable of? I don't mean compared to somebody else. I mean compared to you, compared to the version of yourself from 10 years ago, or maybe even 5 years ago. So think about your energy, your focus, your confidence, your ability to show up fully for your family and your work, or most importantly, your ability to show up fully for yourself. There's one thing that's really stood out to me, which is that people don't usually wake up one morning and suddenly feel like they've gotten old. It's this thing that just sort of creeps in, right? Little by little, you just sort of slowly become a version of yourself that is operating below what you know you're capable of. And because it happens so slowly, most people don't even question it. They just believe this is some sort of unavoidable byproduct of getting older. But over the last several years through my coaching work, I have had the opportunity to work with people from all kinds of different backgrounds. People like executives and business owners, healthcare professionals, parents, retirees, very diverse people with very different lives and different goals. But no matter who I was talking to, I kept hearing the same thing, which is that I just don't feel like myself anymore. And that's what sent me down this path of trying to answer a question that completely changed the way that I think about health. And that question is, why is this happening in the first place? Because I didn't want to just tell people, hey, suck it up, you're just getting older and there is nothing you can do about it. I became convinced that there had to be a better answer than that. And let me show you what I mean. This is your life, right? You have all of these demands and responsibilities, and they take up all of your capacity. And yet these days you feel these demands draining you significantly more than they used to. And maybe you're thinking, well, of course, I'm tired. Just look at everything that I've got going on. And certainly there's some truth to that. Life gets busy. You have all of these things going on, but that's not the whole story. Because some of you had all of these things going on all along, but they didn't used to leave you exhausted the way that they do today. Something else has been happening, something that is much easier to miss. What if the demands of life haven't changed? Rather, your capacity quietly changed instead. Now, the exact same load that you always had feels overwhelming. The exact same workout feels exhausting. The exact same amount of stress suddenly feels like too much. You need another cup of coffee just to get through the afternoon. And you start telling yourself, I just don't have the energy that I used to. And that is what I call the hidden performance tax. It is the gap between how you're showing up today and how you'd be showing up if your body was functioning the way that it was designed to. And because that gap grows so gradually, most people never stop to question it. And let's be honest, for most of us, that's not realistic, right? Work isn't going away. Your family isn't going away. Life isn't going away. The option to simply reduce life's demand for most of us is not really even an option. So then we ask a better question: how do we rebuild capacity? That's option 2, right? Because if we can do that, the exact same life starts feeling completely different. You have more energy, you think more clearly, you recover faster, you're more patient, you show up differently. And not because your life changed, right? But because you changed. So I stopped asking questions like, what is the best diet? What's the best workout? What's the best supplement? Great diets and workouts and supplements all have their place, but they are not step 1. So I started asking a much better question, which is what actually rebuilds someone's capacity? And over the last several years, through coaching clients and spending hundreds of hours talking with experts in nutrition and sleep and exercise science and longevity and human performance on my podcast, I kept hearing the same message. The answer was not another hack. It wasn't another shortcut. It was simply restoring the fundamental things that modern life has slowly pulled away from us. And that is exactly what the Superhuman Blueprint is built around. In fact, I recently had Annie Nosh on the podcast. Annie is currently ranked number 3 in the Rejuvenation Olympics, meaning she's aging at roughly half the rate of the average person. And when people hear that, they usually expect to hear about some kind of crazy protocol or some amazing secret, maybe some cutting edge technology, because she's only a couple places behind Brian Johnson, who's known for spending millions of dollars a year on slowing his pace of aging. But that is not what we talked about. Almost everything with Annie came back to the fundamentals: sleep, movement, nutrition, recovery, building habits that support your biology every single day. And I was smiling like an idiot the whole time because I was thinking, this is exactly what I've been teaching. And here's what's really interesting is that none of this is new. Nobody watching this video is hearing for the first time that they should probably get better sleep or drink more water or move their body or eat more protein. Most people already know those things. So information clearly isn't the problem. The problem is figuring out what to do, what to add next, how much is enough, and how to put it all together in a way that actually works. So think about it like baking a cake, right? You have the ingredients. You got your flour, your eggs, your sugar, your butter, your vanilla, whatever else. Every ingredient is sitting right there on the counter. But if you don't know the recipe, if you don't know how much ingredients to use, if you don't know what order they go in or how to bake it, then you're probably not getting a very good cake. I have tried. It was not a very good cake. Health works exactly the same way. Most people already have most of the ingredients. They've heard about protein and sunlight and walking after meals, strength training, hydration, recovery, so on and so forth. So the problem isn't knowing the ingredients. The problem is knowing the recipe. And that's exactly what I've spent hundreds of hours building. And I call that framework the Superhuman Blueprint. And let me show you why. Everybody wants this. So this is your performance. This is where you have more energy and weight loss and confidence, and you feel great. But this is the roof. And almost everybody tries to build this part first. The problem is you can't build the roof before you build the house, right? So inside the Superhuman Blueprint, we build it from the ground up. So you start with the foundation. First, we restore your biology, not by overwhelming you, but by introducing the right habits in the right order at the right dose. And then we build the structure. We install those habits until they become part of everyday life. Not something that you're constantly trying to remember, just a part of who you are. One of my coaching clients recently gave me one of my favorite examples of what happens when you finally get this right. So he's actually in Europe right now as I record this. And before he left, I asked him, so how are you going to keep your routine in place while you're gone? And he looked at me like it was a strange question. And he said, of course I'm going to keep my routine in place. This is just how I live now. It's like brushing my teeth. And I love that answer, and it's going to stick with me forever because that is the goal. It's not to help you follow a program for 10 weeks. The goal is to install habits that become part of who you are, just like brushing your teeth, right? So whether you're at home or traveling or working or on vacation, you don't feel like you're trying to stay on track. This is simply how you live. And as that happens, your capacity naturally begins to grow. You have more energy, you recover better, you think more clearly. The exact same life starts feeling a whole lot easier. And that's what eventually leads to your performance. Not because we chased performance, but because we built everything underneath it first. And that's why every single week of the program just builds on the week before. There's nothing random, there's no filler. Every single habit, every progression, every challenge has a purpose. And after years of refining this process, it became the Superhuman Blueprint. It's the exact system that I use to help people stop guessing and stop bouncing from one program to the next and simply follow a proven path that's already been mapped out for them. One of my favorite things about doing this work is just seeing people stop believing that they're broken, because that's really what so many people believe when they first come to me. They think, maybe this is just who I am now, but then it's really cool because something changes. And let me give you a couple of examples. So a few days ago, I caught up with one of my former coaching clients, Vicky. We'd finished working together a couple of months ago, and I wanted to see how she was doing. When we started the conversation, she told me that she'd recently started on a GLP-1 medication. And she was really excited. She was down 9 pounds. She was working with a dietitian. She was exercising 4 days a week. She was eating well. She was staying hydrated. She was feeling fantastic. And I was very, very happy for her. But what she said next meant even more than the weight loss. She told me, if I had started this program before I worked with you, Drew, I know I would have failed. Not, I think I would have failed, not maybe I would have failed. She had absolutely no doubt that she would have failed because I set her on that path, right? The habits that she needed to make this journey work were already in place. And without those habits, she would have skipped that foundation and gone straight for structure and capacity, and it just doesn't work. And that's exactly what we've been talking about, right? The foundation came first, and everything else then became easier because of that. And then also there is Diane, someone else that's in the Superhuman Blueprint right now. She is retired, and like a lot of people, and particularly since her retirement, her energy has gone slowly down, her weight has slowly gone up. But by the third week of being within the Superhuman Blueprint program, she was telling me that she already has more energy, she's sleeping better, and she lost 5 pounds. And it's not because we put her on some extreme diet. It wasn't because she had found some incredible willpower that didn't exist before, right? It's because she started consistently doing these simple things that her body had been missing. And so those stories are different, but they all have something in common, which is that none of them needed this great miracle. They simply needed a system that showed them exactly what to do in the right order, at the right pace, until it simply became part of who they were. And that's exactly what the Superhuman Blueprint is designed to do. So if you've watched this far, I'm guessing that at least part of this has resonated with you. Maybe you've recognized yourself in the low energy or the weight gain or the brain fog. Or maybe it's simply that feeling of not quite being the person that you know you're capable of being. The good news is, none of this has to become your normal. So now, whether you decide to join is completely up to you. Right below this video, you'll find everything you need. You'll see exactly what's included in the program, and you can decide if this feels like the right next step for you. If it does, I would love to help you rebuild your foundation, increase your capacity, and start feeling like yourself again. The silent decline has become common, but it's not normal. And you don't have to accept common as your normal anymore. I'll see you inside the Superhuman Blueprint.